Welcome to the English class. In today's class, we are going to learn about the lesson that is Hero. This lesson is written by R.K. Narayan. So let us see about this lesson with these points. So there was a boy and his name was Swami. One day, Swami's father was reading a newspaper, and in that newspaper there was a report about a village lad who had fought with a tiger while returning home by the jungle path, and he jumped up the tree and he stayed there half a day till some villagers came and killed the tiger. So in this way, here the Swami's father tells Swami the bravery of village lad and asks his opinion about it. During that time, Swami felt that a boy could not fight with a tiger. It is not possible a boy to fight with a tiger. So he may be a grown-up and strong person. But Swami's father said that if he has courage, he can do anything. So here the courage is everything, and age and the strength is not important. But when Swami was not accepting it, Swami's father tells him that you have to sleep alone in the office room to prove his courage. So here Swami's father challenged him to sleep alone in the office room. Here initially Swami was thinking that his father was joking, but later on he realized that his father is not joking, and because he know that his father's tenacity. So he was trying to escape from this challenge, because sleeping alone in the office room was a big proposition for Swami, because he had always slept beside his granny. So any changes in this arrangement would kept him trouble and awake all night. So here Swami tried to escape from the challenge. Here Swami tries to escape from this challenge. तर या ठिकाणी पहा, या धड्याला सुरुवात होते. स्वामी नावाचा एक मुलगा असतो आणि एकदा स्वामीचे वडील न्यूजपेपर वाचत असताना त्यामध्ये एक न्यूज येते की गावकरी मुलगा जंगलामधून आपल्या घरी परत जात असताना त्याची वाघाशी भेट होते. त्यावेळेला आपल्या जीव वाचवण्यासाठी तो वाघाबरोबर लढतो आणि एका झाडावरती जाऊन बसतो. काही वेळानंतर काही गावकरी लोक त्या ठिकाणी येतात आणि त्याची सुटका करतात. तर अशा प्रकारच्या एका शौर्याबद्दलची कथा या ठिकाणी त्या न्यूजपेपरमध्ये आलेली असते. या ठिकाणी स्वामीचे वडील त्या मुलग्याच्या शौर्याबद्दल सांगत असताना स्वामीचं मत या ठिकाणी विचारतात. त्यावेळेला स्वामी म्हणतो की एक लहान मुलगा वाघावर लढू शकत नाही, कदाचित तो मोठा असावा, मोठा व्यक्ती असावा. एक लहान मुलगा तो वाघाबरोबर लढू शकणार नाही. त्यावेळेला वडील म्हणतात की आपल्याकडे जर धाडस असेल तर आम्ही काहीही करू शकतो. म्हणून या ठिकाणी धाडस महत्वाचं आहे, वय अथवा शक्ती महत्वाची नाही. पण ज्या वेळेला स्वामी या गोष्टीला मान्य करत नाही, त्यावेळेला स्वामीचे वडील त्याला आपल्या ऑफिस रूम मध्ये रात्रीच्या वेळेला एकटा झोपण्यासाठी सांगतात, जेणेकरून तो आपलं धाडस सिद्ध करून दाखवावं. सुरुवातीला स्वामीला वाटतं की माझे वडील हे जोक करत आहेत, चेष्टा करत आहेत, पण नंतर त्याला समजतं की स्वामीचे वडील हे फार आग्रह धरतात आणि त्याला समजतं की हे आता मला करावं लागणार. त्यावेळेला स्वामी याच्यातून सुटका होण्यासाठी अनेक प्रकारे प्रयत्न करत असतो. तर सुरुवातीला या ठिकाणी स्वामी ट्रायज टू एस्केप. हाऊ ही ट्राय टू एस्केप फ्रॉम दिस चॅलेंज. फर्स्ट he said that the cricket club would buy a new bats and balls, and they admit even elders also. But Swami's father did not listen it. Secondly, he tries that he would sleep alone in the office room from the first of the next month. But Swami insisted that he should sleep alone in the office room from tonight onwards. And thirdly, he also says that his office room, Swami's father's office room, is very dusty and there may be scorpions behind the law books. But Swami's father did not listen it. So in this way, whatever the Swami tried to escape from this challenge was in vain. So Later on, Swami was ready to sleep alone in the office room on the condition that the door of the office should be open. Swami's father was ready, but he told that he should not roll up his bed and go to the granny's side at night. Otherwise, he would make a laughing stock to his school. Uh, that time, the Swami was ready to accept his challenge. And later on, what happens when Swami was sleeping, he remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts that he had heard in his life. So first, he remembered that his chum Mani had seen the devil in the banyan tree. And secondly, he remembered that Munisham's father was died because of the blood spat out as the devil slapped his cheek. And third thing that he remembered is that one of his friend in the fourth class was taken away by the devil to the Siam or Nepal. In this way, he remembered all the fearful things and the stories while he was sleeping. So he was not able to sleep. So he hurriedly got up and spread his bed under the bench and crouched there. He shut his eyes, he covered the blanket over him, and then he tried to sleep. But after that, when he was asleep, he had a nightmare. And in that nightmare, the tiger was chasing him and he was not able to move. So, with a desperate effort, he opened his eyes. During that time, his body was covered with sweat. Later on, when he saw a dark figure in the darkness, and he thought that was a devil. So as if when that thing was, or the figure was coming nearer to him, he dug its teeth into its, and during that time, that a loud cry was heard by him. He thought that it was not a devil, but it was a human thing. And later on, he realized that he had caught the most notorious burglar. So on the next day, congratulations were showered on Swami. His classmates looked at him with great respect. His teacher patted his back. His headmaster said him that he was a true Scot. दुसऱ्या दिवशी स्वामी शाळेला गेल्यानंतर त्याच्या ठिकाणी त्या स्वामीवर अभिनंदनाचा वर्षाव होतो. त्याचे सर्व वर्गमित्र त्याला आदराने पाहू लागतात. त्याचबरोबर सर्व शिक्षक त्याला शाबासकी देऊ लागतात. याशिवाय हेडमास्टर तू एक खरा बालवीर आहेस अशा प्रकारे त्याची स्तुती करतात. आफ्टर दॅट द इन्स्पेक्टर आस्क्ड हिम, व्हाय डोंट यू जॉइन द पोलीस व्हेन यू आर ग्रोन अप? During that time, Swami said certainly yes, but he wished to become an engine driver, a railway guard, or a bus conductor. So, on that evening, Swami put his bed at his usual place and show off a deep sleep. When his father asked Swami's mother about him, Swami's mother lost her temper and told Swami's father, let him to sleep wherever he likes and don't risk his life again. Swami felt tremendously relief to hear that his father was giving him up. In this way, he became a hero overnight. So this is the story in short that I have told you, and in the next video we will discuss some questions which will occur in the exams. So thank you for watching my video.